So when I'm entering a day trade based on chart and not news, I'm going to use PRCP as an example just because this one was seriously a textbook chart setup. Um, Actually, this needs to get switched. Let's do 5 minutes. So I actually have my entry marked here. So you can see, you know what, actually, 2 minutes. So you can see here, we had this selling off right there. And then we had this candle here is basically like a, hey, pay attention because I might be reversing. And so that candle is always what you want to see right after a few solid red candles. And then this one here is the actual reversal sign. So this is the confirmation that you're looking for. And so that's where I entered. I entered, right up here. And we rode those options. That's when I sent out my alert. And we rode those options in, what is that, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 minutes. We had over 100% profits. And so if you held those, that's awesome because there's potential to make, I believe, 430, 450% on those ones. But that's seriously just what you need to look for is this pattern right here. After a few solid red candles and you get one green one, don't enter on that because oftentimes that's, here, look, we can look at this one right here. Few red candles, boom. If you enter there, you can potentially just get another solid red candle and it just kind of downtrends. So you really want to wait for that confirmation candle, which is right there. Yeah, you miss out on a little bit of profit from there to there, but it's definitely worth it. You're going to lose less over time. So this is the simplest chart to look for, the simplest pattern to look for. And this is really the first one that I would try to master. So and you can look at any stock that is blown up and try to identify these kind of patterns there. This influx in volume is very key. So as you can see, when this was selling off, the volume was also decreasing. So less people were selling. And so, if these are the biggest candles here, all these sellers, and then the green candles that have like very weak volume, that's not exactly what you would want to see. This is seriously perfect from all aspects of it. So a decrease in selling volume and then an increase in buying volume. So that's an excellent chart. And so if you're looking for a day trade that's coming up, I believe VBIV is going to be a good one. And so I can show you why. Just got to scroll over there. So on yesterday, you can see this was trading really steadily. And then all of a sudden in the later hours of the day, we started getting a lot of buying pressure. So all these large candles right here shooting the price up, and it didn't crash. It held its price after hours, and that's what you want to see. I'm expecting we're going to have a lot of pre-market movement with this one on Monday, and this is a low float stock. It has the potential to move. I'm going to be looking for an entry, if I can get it around $6 right there, $5.99, $6.01, this kind of range, that would be excellent. And either you ride it up to 650, but if it breaks 650, then, we're looking on a run, which it hasn't had in the last 6 months. So I'm not really sure what the price could get up to, but my exit will probably be around 650. So keep your eyes on VBIV. That's one that I'm kind of looking forward to. I think this one's going to be a pretty fun day trade. And then this way, I can go over a video of that one and show you where I entered, why I entered there. But just keep your eyes out because I will be sending out that alert on Monday morning. Hopefully it's not pre-market. I'm assuming it's going to be at market open. But keep your eyes on VBIV.